Hi everyone, let's recreate this presentation that I'm going to create today. It's an amazing one. Let's start and see how it looks like. Okay, at first it looked great and also it has a nice effect. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. You can add the new slide from here also. And format background, you can put the background to the color you want. For example, white or black. It's up to you. I'm going to go and try to create a deposit of this thing, and I'm contrast to this PowerPoint, and I'm going to create it on white. You can create it on black. After that, you need to copy your text. It's just easy text. For the effect, you go here to shape format, use this effect. It's looking great. And after that, you need to create these two rectangles. So how we create them, it's really important to them be the same size. Here, take a look at them. They are the same size, but we have a problem here. As you can see here, this Google Chrome up and these things look bad. So how we can fix that? It's really easy. You need to create a shape, and after creating that, you need to align it to the place you want. Oh, so how we can align these two things at the same space? It's really easy. You need to insert a shape, for example, this thing, this triangle, and after that align it center and align it middle. Okay, now you need to align this thing to the way that the base of it go at the center of it. Or there is another way that I really like, is that to increase the size of these two things. And after that, just simply put everything end here and then select them and reduce the size. But you must reduce the size by holding Ctrl, so it looks better. After creating that, go here and align them in the middle and align it in the middle. Okay, it's aligned perfectly. Now we need to recolor them. We color them black. And for the text, I'm going to copy that text, paste it here, and color the text white. Okay, and also I'm going to copy this text, paste it here, and just simply I'm going to recolor it to white and reduce the size. Okay, then align it here. Now we have the perfect shape and opportunity. Now set the transition to more, copy this thing, put it at the end. You are going to see that the effect is not going to create. So what is the problem? The problem is that we forget these two rectangles. So we are going to add them. You need to add two shapes here, two rectangle. Let me add them. One here, okay, everyone, it's good, and another one here. And you need to make them color white. It's important to both of them be the color white without any outline. Then copy them, paste them here, and send them to back. Then select both of them, align them center and middle. So we need to copy these two shapes also, come here and send them to back. Now we copy this slide, put it here. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see, it's logged perfectly. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.